Hi, this is Bhuvana Rajaram presenting a new word in this video segment called obfuscate. Obfuscate. This is something that I learned very recently. So, obfuscate means that when you write or speak in such a way that you deliberately remove the attention of the reader or the listener from the main issue. For instance, an example here would be she was speaking with me at length and discussing so many issues, but she was confusing me completely, and I lost track of what was being discussed, what the main topic was. So she was completely obfuscating me, right? It could be done in several ways. It could be giving extra information, talking in complicated sentences, or loading somebody with too much of data or analysis. It could be any way. But so much so, the net result is they are not focusing on the main issue and completely losing concentration, right? That's what obfuscate is all about. As far as its origin goes, it has its origin in a Latin word called obfuscatus, which means darkened, and goes way back to the 1500s. I hope this little bit of information helped you. So go ahead and start using obfuscate in your conversations. Bye bye and take care.